The future of passive income is here, and AI is leading the way. With advancements in technology, it's now easier than ever to create streams of income that work while you sleep. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 powerful AI tools that can help you automate and grow your wealth in 2025. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to effortless income? Let's explore the top AI tools for generating passive income in 2025. What's up, guys? It's your boy. I am here with a challenge. You're going to want to win. I'm talking about figuring out how to make money work for you even while you sleep. That's right. We're diving deep into the world of passive income, and I've got the cheat codes right here. We're talking AI tools. So powerful, they practically print money. Okay, maybe not literally printing, but it's the 21st century. Who needs paper? We're talking digital dollars, crypto coins, the kind of cash that flows straight to your digital wallet. Get ready to unlock the secrets, because in this video, I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on the top 5 AI tools that are going to dominate the passive income game in 2025. You ready? Let's go. First up, we've got ChatGPT, the AI that talks better than some people I know. No offense. You know who you are, but forget chatting. This thing can write. And I'm not talking about your grandma's grocery lists. I'm talking high-quality blog posts, ebooks, even social media captions that'll make you go viral. Imagine this. You're chilling, maybe on a beach somewhere, sipping on something tropical, and ChatGPT is cranking out content like a boss. You upload that masterpiece to Medium, Amazon Kindle, whatever your platform of choice is, and bam, money starts rolling in. Think about it. People need content. Businesses need content. Everyone and their grandma needs content. And guess what? Most people would rather wrestle an alligator than write a blog post. That's where you come in. The ChatGPT whisperer, the master of words without ever lifting a finger. Except to hit publish, of course. But here's the secret sauce, the Mr. Beast level strategy. Don't just write anything. Write what people actually want to read. Do your research. Find those hot topics, those burning questions, keeping people up at night, and then unleash ChatGPT on them. And don't forget to get creative. So, are you ready to be a passive income king? Combine ChatGPT for script writing with Doodly for creating engaging videos effortlessly. And this one's for all my visual learners out there. Listen up, because this is how you make money while looking cool doing it. Doodly is your ticket to creating professional-looking videos, even if you can barely operate a toaster oven. You know those awesome whiteboard animation videos everyone loves, the ones that explain complex stuff in a fun, easy-to-digest way. Yeah, Doodly lets you make those. No fancy editing skills needed. Just drag, drop, and boom, you've got yourself a masterpiece. Educational content, explainer videos, online courses, you name it. Doodly can handle it. Upload your creations to the YouTube empire, Udemy, or even sell them directly to businesses. The world's your oyster, baby. And here's the kicker. People love visuals. They'd rather watch a 2-minute video than read a wall of text any day. That means more views, more engagement, and you guessed it, more moolah. But hold on, I'm not done yet. Let's take this to the next level, Mr. Beast style. Think challenges, tutorials, maybe even a doodly animation series with a crazy storyline. I'm talking animals, unexpected plot twists, the whole shebang. Get those creative juices flowing, because with Doodly, the only limit is your imagination. And who knows, maybe one day your Doodly empire will rival even mine. All right, artists, dreamers, and anyone who's ever doodled on a napkin, this one's for you. Midjourney is about to rock your world. Imagine this. You're chilling, listening to some epic tunes, and suddenly inspiration strikes. You feed a few key words into Midjourney and bam! This AI wizard conjures up stunning digital artwork right before your very eyes. But here's the best part. This ain't just pretty pictures. This is your ticket to the big leagues. We're talking selling your AI-generated masterpieces as prints, NFTs, even slapping them on t-shirts and coffee mugs. Etsy, Redbubble. The world is your digital art gallery. And let me tell you, people are going crazy for AI art right now. It's like owning a piece of the future, and everyone wants a piece of the action. So tap into that creative energy. Experiment with different styles and prompts, and watch as Midjourney transforms your imagination into cold, hard cash. But we're not stopping there. It's time to unleash the Mr. Beast magic. Think limited edition prints, collaborations with other artists, maybe even auctions for charity, where all the proceeds go to an awesome cause. Trust me, the art world is your oyster. And with Midjourney as your paintbrush, the possibilities are as limitless as the algorithm itself. Now let's talk about making money while you sleep. The ultimate dream, right? That's where Jasper comes in, the AI copywriting genius that'll have you raking in those sweet, sweet affiliate commissions. Imagine this. You're snuggled up in bed, dreaming of Lambos and private islands, and Jasper is busy crafting persuasive product descriptions, blog posts, and emails that would make even the toughest customer click buy now. Affiliate marketing is where it's at. People. You recommend awesome products. People buy them through your unique link, and bam, you get a cut of the profits. It's like having your own online store without all the hassle of inventory and shipping. And who better to be your sales team than Jasper? This AI wordsmith knows how to sell ice to an Eskimo. But here's the secret sauce, the Mr. Beast twist. Don't just sell anything. Sell something you actually believe in. Find products you love. Products that solve problems. Products that people actually need in their lives. That genuine enthusiasm will shine through in your writing. And trust me, people can spot a fake from a mile away. So find your niche, unleash Jasper on the world, and watch as those affiliate commissions roll in, even while you're catching some Z's. Surfer SEO is an AI-powered tool designed to help you create SEO-optimized content that ranks higher on search engines. By analyzing keywords, competitors, and search intent, Surfer SEO provides data-driven insights to improve your content's visibility and performance. When combined with Jasper AI, you can generate high-quality articles, blogs, or website copy that not only engages your audience, but also attracts organic traffic. This powerful combination allows you to build websites, blogs, or affiliate marketing platforms that generate passive income by driving consistent traffic and conversions, making it a game-changer for online success. Last but definitely not least, we've got Wealthfront, the AI-powered investing platform that's like having your own personal Warren Buffett on speed dial minus the $1.4 billion. Now listen up, because this is how you build real, lasting wealth. Wealthfront takes all the guesswork out of investing. It analyzes your risk tolerance, diversifies your portfolio, and even rebalances it automatically. It's like having a financial advisor, but way cooler, and without the hefty fees. Imagine this. You're sitting back, sipping on a celebratory beverage, watching your money grow faster than bamboo in a rainforest. That's the power of Wealthfront. It's like planting a money tree and watching it sprout dollar bills. But here's the Mr. Beast pro tip. Don't just set it and forget it. Check in on your portfolio regularly. Adjust your risk tolerance as needed. And most importantly, keep learning about investing. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be giving me investment advice. All right, guys, there you have it. The top 5 AI tools that are about to change the passive income game forever. We've got ChatGPT for cranking out content, midjourney for unleashing your inner digital artist, Jasper for mastering the art of affiliate marketing, Surfer SEO for optimized written content for search engines, and wealthfront for building your financial empire. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future money-making adventures. Keep hustling, keep dreaming big, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.